Today's Vlogmas day number 17. And it is so Christmas. So if I found out of break because I was doing the TikTok, doing the jerk TikTok, and I don't know how to do. So yeah, I'm starting this vlog off in the morning, 9:22, because I'm feeling a little jealous. Like I'm feeling a little coffee day. Like, I want some coffee. That's what I want, coffee. I'm sitting right here. You give me some water. No, guys, I changed my mind. I want mocha macchiato. I want some cappuccino. That's what I want. I don't feel like it. So, I got the mocha macchiato right here. Okay, let me see. Go ahead, home. Put it in there. Turn it on like that. You know, over the top and even much on. Alright, guys, I'm about to get my cup. This cup right here. Got my cup. So, we get a big cup. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some marshmallows in it. I got the marshmallows. And if you watch my vlog on day 16 yesterday, I was doing this little thing. I was doing this little thing. It took them at the bag, I guess. Y'all asked me why I have one sleep. I took up 45 minutes. I'm doing this little thing with the fish. So, the fish got a defrost. So, yeah. We just gonna let that. Okay, and my fish is right here. You got a defrost, y'all. Alright, that's enough, because I don't want it to be watery. Well, not make it, but put the marshmallows in it. And y'all, tomorrow I'm going to the real walk and by my cousin's house. Oh my gosh. So I got it. And by the way, the marshmallows are gonna melt inside of the hot cocoa. What y'all think? Y'all think I should make more? I'm looking for a... Oh, I found it. This yogurt. I put them in some water. I put in the water, and this is the other. I need to put that up, and I got my fish fry right here. And I also need to turn my grease on so it get hot. And this is grease, that's grease, and both of them need to get thrown out. And I want to make Kool-Aid, but then I'm like, again, I don't want to make Kool-Aid. I need to put this up, because I had this last night. And this back there, this, I need to put this back up, because, yeah. And these fries, I'm just going to get them out and sit them on a plate. Then get ready to toss them into the fish fry. But I need to wait till it defrosts more. Or I could just put them in there like that. But then that means it's probably like I got that, guys. What is that? Fish ball. What? Fish ball. It's fish ball. What is fish ball? Fish. When you come out. So you want to take that fish out? Do it. No, do it. Eat what, man? He whooping again. Why you say what you said? You don't even know what I said. Yeah, I did. What I said? You said you were going to my grandma. Well, Mama said when I said that. And then, and then you was like, and then listen, they take care of you, and you was like, I ain't actually I'll do that. No, he said he busted his to make sure we stay here. And I said, I didn't ask you to do it. Why he do the fish out? I love him sitting out there. And which one? I don't know. And he told me I had to eat chicken and rice because my mama was not going to give me nothing to eat. It was in the Ziploc bag? I don't know, I was in the room. And he told me I had to eat chicken and rice because my mama was not going to give me nothing to eat. Was this fish? I don't know. I didn't pick up this fish. And I am right there. But you have to throw them presents away because he already told me that I can't get nothing for Christmas. Well, Mama already this is your present. She brought them back. Yeah, and she told me to get mine. She was gonna bring mine back. And she told you what? She was gonna bring mine back. Oh, she told you she. Wait, when she bring mine back? She was gonna bring mine back, but I told her to look for somebody else. So, the maybe a lot she bring it back. And the diapers I brought and the shirt is on the back seat. Don't get it to somebody. You could throw those presents away because they pranks. Oh no. I just know. She would have threw all of them away. Yeah. Yes, I do. And you could throw all of them. That's a fish fry right here. Well, you leaving for Christmas. I didn't put that back. What you call it? No, I'm going by Lana Saturday, tomorrow, when I come back from, what you call it? The what? The, real walk. With who? Mommy. Mommy? Who gonna watch me? My mom. She also? I'm not staying home with that witch. And Tuesday.
I'm not staying home with that witch.
Don't call my mama a witch.
She better not call me and ask me for
Who?
nothing.
Mama?
And then who will watch me Sunday?
Look.
No, he go to a second house.
You stay at home.
I stay home by myself.
Was my grandma over last Sunday? I don't think she was. So, my grandma.
When you coming back? You coming back before Christmas?
Duh. That's not on. Hey, sister. She mad, y'all. She gonna be alright. I just got. Hold up. I ain't never been with a bed. She comes like after telling. What's up? Y'all the one that I had cooked so good.
We gotta eat that for lunch. So we can eat that right now?
So they can cook in the inside. And I have. Alright, y'all. So they're done. This is the finished product. Like, but they have more in the kitchen. And my sister has some. So this is how it look in the inside. That's fish, seasoning, breadcrumb. But okay. This video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, voting, close. You can see. Oh, me and my mama. And today's Vlogmas is 17. Stay tuned for Vlogmas at 18. And we have 8 more days to Christmas. Oh, and I'm recording tomorrow for Vlogmas for Vlogmas at 18. I'm going to be recording because I'm going to the river walk. And then I think I'm going to my cousin. That's what I'm going to call it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video too. I'm not even gonna ask for that. At least 20 views. Like my other one, it got 65. Like I was happy, but yeah. Bye guys.